The United States is known for its diverse and delicious cuisine. From coast to coast, there are countless foods that represent the rich culture and history of the USA. So let's take a culinary journey through some of the best foods that the USA has to offer. First up, we have hamburgers and hot dogs. These classic American foods are a staple at backyard barbecues, sporting events, and fast food chains across the country. Next, we have barbecue. Whether you prefer brisket, pulled pork, or ribs, there's a barbecue style for everyone. From Kansas City to Texas, barbecue is a must-try when visiting the USA. Pizza is another American favorite, and there are countless regional styles to choose from. Whether you prefer a New York-style slice or a Chicago deep dish, there's no shortage of great pizza in the USA. Fried chicken is another Southern classic that's beloved by people all over the country. With its crispy exterior and juicy meat, there's nothing quite like a piece of perfectly fried chicken. Another popular food in the USA is Tex-Mex cuisine. With its fusion of Texan and Mexican flavors, Tex-Mex is a must-try when visiting the USA. Tacos, burritos, and nachos are all popular Tex-Mex dishes. With over 95,000 miles of coastline, the USA is home to some of the best seafood in the world. From lobster in Maine to crab cakes in Maryland, seafood is a must-try when visiting the USA. New York-style bagels are another American classic, and they're a must-try when visiting the USA. Whether you prefer them with cream cheese or smoked salmon, bagels are a breakfast staple in many parts of the USA. Mac and cheese is another classic American comfort food. From baked mac and cheese to gourmet versions with lobster or truffles, there's a mac and cheese for everyone. Cajun and Creole cuisine from Louisiana is another must-try when visiting the USA. Dishes like jambalaya, gumbo, and crawfish étouffée are all flavorful and delicious. Finally, we have donuts. Whether you prefer classic glazed donuts or gourmet flavors like maple bacon or matcha, there's a donut for everyone in the USA. From hamburgers to donuts, the USA is home to some of the best food in the world. So come and taste your way through this incredible country and discover the delicious flavors that make the USA a culinary destination.